Let's learn about parvovirus in dog, its symptoms, treatment and prevention. Your puppy suddenly stops eating, starts vomiting, and has bloody diarrhea. Could it be parvo? What is parvovirus? Parvovirus is one of the deadliest diseases in dogs, especially in puppies. Today on Vet Study by Sath, we'll explain everything you need to know about symptoms, treatment, and prevention of parvovirus. Canine parvovirus, or CPV2, is a highly contagious virus that attacks the intestinal lining of dogs. It leads to severe vomiting, bloody diarrhea, and dehydration. What are the symptoms of parvoviral infection in dog? The most common symptoms of parvo are sudden loss of appetite, vomiting, bloody diarrhea, lethargic or weakness, fever or low body temperature, abdominal pain and dehydration. If your dog shows these signs, visit a vet immediately. How does this virus spreads? Parvovirus spreads mainly through the feces of infected dogs. Even a small amount of contaminated stool can infect other dogs. The virus can stick to shoes, clothes, cages and other material that come in contact with infected feces. That's why it spreads so easily in kennels, hospitals and public areas. How to diagnose parvoviral disease in your dog? Diagnosis is usually done through a fecal ELISA antigen test commonly known as the parvo test kit. A CBC test may also show a very low white blood cell count, which supports the diagnosis. What is the treatment for parvoviral infection? There is no specific medicine that kills the virus, but early supportive treatment can save lives. The main goals are to control vomiting, prevent dehydration, and fight secondary infections. How to prevent dogs from getting parvo? Puppies should get their vaccine starting from 6 weeks, then every 3 to 4 weeks until 16 weeks of age. A booster is needed at 1 year, and then annually. Make sure to keep your puppy away from contaminated areas until fully vaccinated. What did you learn about parvo today? Parvovirus is deadly but preventable. Early recognition will save your dog's life. If you found this information helpful, please share this video so more pet owners can protect their puppies. For more veterinary awareness and case studies, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.